morning, you guys. Welcome back. It's basically a new month, which means it's time for a fresh start. I love my reset routines or my monthly resets. It just helps me stay grounded and basically get back on track, know what's working out for me and what's not working out so that I could change a few things. But before I actually begin, I'm going to quickly plan my to-do list, which was actually supposed to be done last night, but I kind of missed out. So I'm going to do that right now. My to-do list is super important every single day because it just helps me stay organized and also know what I have to do throughout the day, and it just helps me not miss out on anything that I have to do. So yeah, I'm going to plan my to-do list now. So today's list is packed with deep cleaning my closet and my space. My closet is in such a mess, like a complete disaster, and I really want to get that fixed. Hitting IKEA for some new plants. I am not that great with plants, but I really want to try. Getting a workout in, trying a new nail art. So basically my nails have been super brittle since I have been applying gel polish for over 6 months. So I really want to skip on that this month and try using regular polish. And of course a cozy night in, basically prioritizing sleep since I haven't been sleeping on time lately, so I really want to start doing that this month. That's basically my to-do list. But before I actually begin, I'm going to quickly grab on some breakfast, and I have been craving for cold coffee, so I'm going to have that and basically get cleaning. For my morning skincare, I'm going to keep it super simple, like the basics, like toner, serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. I know my closet is in such a mess right now, like it's super messy, it's a disaster honestly, but we are going to tackle this first, and that's one of the main reasons why I wanted to get done with this, since this is going to be super time consuming compared to all the other things that I have planned for today. So I'm going to basically take out all of my clothing and fold them and put them back in a much organized and clean way. Wardrobe cleaning and it feels so good. I did remove a few of the clothes that I would not be using this month since I will be shooting, so I did already back that up, and that's one of the main reasons why my wardrobe is actually looking half empty compared to when I actually removed all of the clothing out. So yeah, anyway, we are going to start with planner setup now, since I think it's super essential in my monthly resets, and the last month did not really go as planned, so I am kind of disappointed. I really want this month to go really well. So yeah, let's begin. Also, before I begin, I'm going to quickly put on some nail paint since I'm not liking the way my nails are looking at the moment. I might go in for either cherry red or white. planner set up, the first thing I like to do is reflect on the previous month. So I'll write down everything that went well and things that did not work out for me. It's all about looking back and learning from it. This helps me pinpoint what I need to change and what I should keep doing. As I move into the next month, I like to start with a fresh mindset, whether it's the goals I'm working towards, things I want to attract into my life, or even things that I'm letting go of. Next, I move on to habit tracker. I love this part because it helps me stay on track with my routines. For example, my body, I would write down habits like getting back to the gym or going for a walk. It's all about balancing physical and mental well-being. We are back from IKEA. It's been such a nice, long, tiring day, but the traffic was literally horrible outside. Anyway, I'm going to show you what all I got. So I picked up these two succulents. I feel they look so adorable. Also, these do not come with these pots. I purchased that, and yeah, I just need to find a little space for these two cuties. I also did pick up these exfoliating gloves. I love the texture and the color. Hopefully it exfoliates well too. It feels pretty good, so I think I'm going to quite enjoy this. And lastly, I got these deep bowl plates or deep plates. I don't know what exactly it is, but yeah, you get the idea. These were pretty cheap, like around 200 something, and I'm super impressed. I think I'm definitely going to go back to IKEA and take my time and check out the entire kitchen stuff. I also did get a few things off on Amazon, so let's do a quick little mini haul. First, I got these cute little mini heart ice cube tray. I think I'm going to pop this in my freezer right after this mini haul. Next, we have incense sticks. I have been using incense for such a long time, so I'm super excited to try out the white sage version. Get these daily greens from Wellbeing Nutrition. It looks pretty nice, but I really hope it tastes good too. Next, I wanted to snack on something healthy, and I did get myself the oven baked chips. This is in the flavor of garlic, and I've tried this before and I really quite enjoy it. I'm literally looking forward to having this. I also did get these canvas holders. Like, they actually come in a set of 5, and I'm super excited to try these out. I think I'm going to do that tonight. That's my mini Amazon haul. It is time to get a little workout in, so I'm going to try and do Pilates today. It's my first time, so I'm super excited. Before I hop into the shower, I'm going to do a little face mask session. I feel like I haven't done one in quite some time, and it's literally pouring outside, so I think it's the perfect time to do this. I'm just going in with my favorite green clay mask mixed with water. You could literally add in whatever you like. Like, I would normally add in curd, like yogurt or rose water, but today I just felt like keeping it pretty simple. I'm going to apply this evenly all over my face, avoiding my eye area. I also enjoyed my Pilates that I did before, like that literally felt so nice. My abs are literally paining, but I think it was literally a good workout, so. I'm going to let this dry for around 10 minutes, have my matcha, and then just hop into the shower. To be a little bit spiced up rather than just being bland, and I definitely did not have directly off the can because I just cannot. So that's one of the main reasons why I like cooking it and having it, and it just tastes way better this way. I got these roasted seaweed from US and I absolutely love these. Like, they came in a set of 10 or something, and I really wish that this comes up in India as well, because this is something that I absolutely love. That's what my dinner looks like. I cannot wait to actually dive into this, and this is literally my first time making this, so I'm super excited. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. I love this. Skincare is all done. I love this greasy feel before I go to bed, but I'm not going to bed right now. I'm going to go and enjoy a little bit of painting with my sister, and I'm also super excited to use the new canvas that I got. So yeah, I did lose touch with painting over a few months, but I really want to get back to painting. No matter how small, I really want to do that tonight before I go to bed. We just got done with painting and we are so happy that we actually got it done. I feel like it's so essential and important to actually take out the time to actually do things that you love doing, because I feel like life literally gets so busy and we tend to forget to do the things that we actually love. So that's your reminder to actually do things that you love doing, and pretty much that is it. I shall end this video right here, and I really hope you guys enjoyed and take something great from this video. I will see you next week. Bye. Love you.